Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to check Filmora subscription. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically now, you will be needing to simply just go to your profile. You can simply do that from the Filmora software and you will need just to click on your account and you will find your icon here. And from here, you will find your overview. And basically here, you will see all the elements of your plan. In my case, I'm using only the free trial or the free plan. And basically, you can just simply click buy now, and it will take you to another page where you can buy the subscription. And basically, to start seeing in the manager subscription, you can simply go to view my account. So from here, you can see just like all the wondershare products, etc. What we are interested in is managed subscription. So from here, you will find all your subscriptions. And from here, you can start like checking your subscription of Filmora. Another thing to do is to simply go directly to the software website, and we can simply go to Filmora and then search for the official website. You log in, and then you should log into your account. Then you will need just to go to the account center, and then you will need just to repeat the same steps. So here I'm using the account center, and basically you will need just to go to manage subscription, and by clicking on manage subscription you will have the same result as before. And basically you can also see your subscription history by going there, and by that you will be able like to start like managing your subscription. You will see when it will be expired, when you can like renew it, and of course you can also start canceling your subscription from there. So you can simply start going here. You can also find like redeem membership if you have some code, etc. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching. I see you next time.